Ooh, that was good. Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Asos Beauty Advent Calendar. This one is the 24-day Advent Calendar and the price of it is 83 euros. I have also done a video for the 12-day Advent Calendar. I'm gonna have a link in the description box below. As you can see, this box is pretty shiny, and let's open it so we can actually see the Advent Calendar. Ooh, that was good. It's very heavy. 10,000 hours later. This is how the box looks. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And we have again this plastic container. You can reuse it for your makeup or your jewelry. And it also has like a lid. It takes 1 star for the packaging for sure. The design is very similar to the 12-day Advent Calendar that I actually liked a lot. And let's find box number 1. It is this one here. It is fully packed and a little bit lightweight. I'm gonna say a reusable makeup pad that you can remove your makeup. No idea why. In this one we have something completely different. What is this? So this is by the brand Bare Minerals. It says Skinsorials. This is the Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. This one says sample, not for resale, and we have 7.5 milliliters. This is obviously a mini product. And let's continue with box number 2 here. Also, don't forget to subscribe to get notified for all of my latest videos. I'm gonna post some very nice Christmas videos, so stay tuned. So this one, oh my god, this is noisy. I'm gonna say a mini face primer. Nope, it's not. And this one here is the Purifying Pink Clay Detox Mask. And it is by the brand Emma Hardy. I have already tried some products by this brand. With this one you can deeply cleanse your skin, and also it can refine the pores and gently exfoliate. So it sounds great, but this is a mini product. And box number 3, oh my god, it's bigger. And I'm gonna say a sheet mask. I'm right. This one here is a Tiger Grass Calming Mask by the brand Dr. Jart, and it looks like a pill. It says Cicapair, not sure. This one can soothe sensitive skin. It is exactly for my skin. I was expecting a full-size product. This one is, but it is also a single-use product. I'm gonna keep this for staycation. And I really need to drink some tea, so just a sec. Αγάπη, είναι έτοιμο το τσάι μου. Μπορείς να μου το φέρεις? Thank you. Here it is. I also want to get hot chocolate and some mini marshmallows. So, cheers. The weather is getting colder and colder in Germany, and this is great for now. Top notch. And box number 4 is heavier. So I'm gonna say a face serum. We always have serums and toners in Advent calendars. And this is not. This one is the Moisture Surge by Clinique. This one is the 72-hour Auto Replenishing Hydrator. I have used this again. It is a very hydrating cream for all skin types. This one is very spreadable. You don't need so much product and it feels so nice on the skin. It is very refreshing. This one is 15 milliliters. Maybe you can use it for 3 weeks tops. After that we have day number 5. This one sounds like a full size, and I'm gonna say a face serum again. Oh, it's not. This one is by the brand First Aid Beauty, and it is a face cleanser. With this one you can remove surface oils, makeup, dirt and grime. You can also use it if you have sensitive skin. I really like testing products like this one. And let's find box number 6, which is here. Okay, so the box is very deceiving because the product sounds tiny. I'm gonna say a liquid eyeliner. I don't know why. And nope, it's not. This one is a jade roller. This one is by the brand Psychic Sisters. It is super tiny and beautiful. I don't usually use face rollers. Let me know if you have a favorite and how you are using yours. This box is very big for this product, just saying. And the box number 7 is this one here. This feels a little bit taller and bigger. I'm gonna say a mascara. And it's not. This one is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 Styling Treatment. So far, the only full-size product is a single-use mask. That's not great. And let's continue with box number 8. I'm gonna say a toner. Oh, I'm wrong again. Oops. Okay. This one is by the brand Origins and it is the Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to clear pores. This is definitely a full size. After that we have day number 9. I'm gonna say a mini mascara. This one is the Love Sleep Pillow Spray by the brand This Works. We also had another pillow spray in the small Asos Beauty Advent Calendar. This one contains 10 milliliters and we have seen products like this one a lot in Advent Calendars this year. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Let me know if you like products like this one. And after that we have box number 10. This is very heavy. I'm gonna say again a face toner. Found it! And this one is the Vitamin C Fix Tonic by the brand Nip and Fab Illuminate. And the packaging is super adorable. I love these colors. This one is infused with vitamin C to reveal a glowing complexion. And we have 100 milliliters. So I think this is a full size. Finally, a little bit of tea. That feels so good. And let's see what we have in day number 11. So I'm gonna say a lip balm because it sounds very small. What is this? It looks like a toothpaste. It says Marvis Classic Strong Mint. Oh my god, it is a toothpaste. We have 10 milliliters. This is not a mini product, it is a sample. This looks a little bit cheapish. So my box is a little bit scratched also on this side here. It is looking broken, but okay. So we have unboxed the first layer of boxes and let's continue with the remaining. Moving on to a big box, day number 12. And I really like the design. This one sounds like a big product. I'm gonna say a big toothpaste. And oh my god, this is definitely full size. We have here the Daily Hair Repair by the brand Aveda. This one is for instant visible repair and also it can protect from heat styling. Ooh, finally we have a hair product in a full size. I'm also gonna do a hair care routine. Some of you have been asking me about it. And let's see where is box number 13 now. Ooh, that's heavy. I'm gonna say a mini face palette. We didn't get any makeup. Nope. And this one is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream by the brand Elemis. And it is an anti-wrinkle day cream. I have actually used this again and it is a little bit heavier for my skin. This one here is a full size and I'm gonna keep it for a giveaway. So let's find day number 14. That sounds like a mini mascara. Oops, we have two. But they're not mascaras. So these are both by the brand Sunday Riley. We have the 15% vitamin C brightening serum and also the Good Genes glycolic acid treatment. Each one contains 5 milliliters. They are super tiny. We can use them 2 times. They are so tiny. I would prefer one product by this brand and more quantity instead of these tiny samples. And let's continue with box number 15. I'm gonna say a face brush. I don't think it is, by the way. Oh, okay. This one is by the brand Dr. Pow Pow. We have a tinted Ultimate Red Balm. It is a multi-purpose soothing balm with natural Pow Pow. This one is for lips, cheeks and cosmetic finishing with a hint of tint. It is cruelty-free and vegan. We had this product again in the small Asos Advent Calendar but in a different shade. Ooh, that's very thick. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, you definitely need a very small quantity. I think it has a little bit of sheen. I don't like this formula on my cheeks because it is a little bit greasy and also sticky. This one contains 25 milliliters and it is a full size. Let's continue with day number 16. So we don't have a lot of makeup in this advent calendar and I'm gonna say a lip gloss. This one is the Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate by the brand Shiseido, and we have 10 milliliters. This looks like a mini again. And let's see the actual product. The packaging is super cute and I like that it doesn't have any harsh edges. I'm curious to see how it opens. Oh, it was pretty basic. For some reason it smells like alcohol. I would like to have a bigger product for this one because it is super pretty. And after that we have day number 17. This feels like nothing. I'm gonna say tweezers. This one is the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. I have used this again. It is not bad, but I think it is a little bit overhyped. This one is definitely a mini product. I'm back. I'm gonna keep this for a giveaway and this is mine. So I want to show you the applicator. In case that you have never seen it before, it is like an hourglass. I think you can have the same volume on your lashes with a drugstore mascara. And let's see what we have in box number 18 here. This doesn't sound like a full-size product. I'm gonna say a deodorant. Ooh, a box inside the box. Inception! This one is the Backlight Priming Filter by the brand Becca. I'm guessing this is a primer? Yes. It is more than just a primer. It is the secret behind the iconic Becca glow. So this one is an illuminating primer. This one is a mini product. We have 15 milliliters. I'm very curious about the finish of it. It smells like a perfume. It's not very strong, but it's weird for a primer. It is a little bit silvery, so I'm not very sure if this is suitable for darker complexions. My lip gloss was removed. I'm gonna apply some more. This one is by Fenty Beauty. I have here the shade Fenty Glow. And let's find box number 19. Oh my god. This is very lightweight. I'm gonna say a brush. Ooh, found it. This one here is by the brand Spectrum. We have the brush B08. It doesn't say what it is, but I'm guessing that it is a highlighter brush. So the packaging is super pretty and we also have synthetic bristles. Here we have box number 20. I think it's very big for a lipstick, but I'm gonna say a lipstick. Another box. This one here is a Pure Canvas Primer by the brand Laura Mercier. This one is silicone free and we have 25 milliliters. This is an instant mattifying filter and it looks like a mini product. I like that we have two types of primers in this advent calendar, so you can see what you like more. And then we have day number 21. I'm gonna say a face oil. Nope. This is by the brand Indeed Laboratories. This one is a night mask. It says in Circadian, I think. This one is for intense hydration. This is a nice product for winter. And then we have box number 22. I don't hear anything. I'm gonna say nail stickers. Oh, nope. We have here the Enchanted Fake Lashes by the brand Allure. I was not expecting a product like this one, but I'm very happy that we got it. And it says that you can use it 5 times. The lashes are super glamorous for the holidays. Let's find now box number 23. Finally, this is heavier. This one is by the brand The Ordinary. And we have the Caffeine Solution 5% plus EGCG. That I have no idea what it means. This one can reduce the appearance of eye contour and pigmentation, also puffiness. With The Ordinary, I always feel that I need to do more research to see how to use the products. This one is a full size, and let's continue with day number 24, which is very tiny. I'm guessing that we have a mini lipstick. It's a lipstick. This one is the matte lipstick by MAC. We have it in the shade Marrakesh. I'm sorry for the pronunciation. And let's see. Oh my god, this is a full size. And let's see the beautiful color of it. Ooh, that's creamy. I really like this color here. I think you can make a very nice smoky eye look, or you can also have something very natural. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see my MAC lipstick collection and also swatches. And this is how the box looks empty. It is separated with this plastic layer here. I'm back. I just had lunch with my husband. He cooked stuffed peppers. It is a Greek recipe that we're doing. It is very delicious. About the advent calendar, half of the products are skincare and half of them are mini products. The overall value of it is actually pretty good. It is £442. Just this one here is £155 and this is a full size, and I'm gonna give this advent calendar 3.5 stars. I don't really like the variety of the products. However, I think that this advent calendar can be a very nice gift idea for a friend or a family member. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about this advent calendar, and you can find here more unboxing videos. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!